PNBI. Bakit naligo?
Para lang hindi tumagal, they want to see na 13 tayo. Those in favor na palitan ng second person.
May pumunta na ba sa medical? May nagtawag mo ba?
Assembling President, hinaharap hindi magpasok din sa sesyon. Kung ako'y absent, hinahanap ako ninyo. Sumusunod do. Hindi ko makita. Ngayon, papakita ko dito. Kinala ko na yung may listing ako doon. Sugat-sugat ako.
Why are you here, sir?
Pasok. Business, nasipit. Wala silang respeto sa institusyon ng Senado. Yan mo nangyayari. Ha?
Ano po plano niyo sa siya ginawa sa inyo?
Usap ko eh.
Like, why are you here? Bakit po kayo napapasok?
Ayaw ba sinunod ko sa Republic? Kung hindi ko papasok, kinahanap niyo ako. Diba? Kaya papasok ako, tatanungin niyo ako, bakit ako pumapasok?
But sir, may kinalaman sa pag-booster para makabulang numbers.
Lahat yan, trabaho ng senador. This is the worst government.
Dito mo na sa medical.
Ako! Umaya, usap tayo ng umaya. Usap tayo ng umaya. Yeah. Hagdan. Hindi ako makapasok dito pero hindi makabuto. Yan ang purpose nila.
Pero hinuhuli ka siya ba? Pinapasakin na lang.
Sir, Lieutenant Arm. Awak ka naman. Pareho tayo premier, sir. Bakit yung pinayagan niya ang mga tao niya nakapasok dito?
Meron pa. Ay,
Kung ikaw ang senador, sir, ako ang Lieutenant Arm. Magpapakamatay ako para hindi ka magalaw dito sa institusyon na ito. Magpapakamatay ko para sa'yo. Ito, buwan. Kinala ko dito sa baba ng MBA. Hindi pinapasok. Ako akyat dito. I don't know. Ano gusto nila?
Okay, sir, bakit turuan, sir?
Nag-resay na kami noon, di ba ba? Sagdan.
Sir, pwede pumasok. Oo, go. Ate, go. Andiyan si Doc. Sige, sir. Go. Miss Janet. Water ni Sen, paki-receive ma'am. Naka-black. Apo. Isa pa. Nakatas. Ay, si Toxin, sir. Si Doc. Ito na pa. Ay, here na po.
Senator Joel Wilson.
Senator Joel Villanueva.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to remove and declare all six vacancies?
Does the majority leader say there is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate?
President, under the rules of these proceedings, we have for the motion of that majority.
So a roll call vote is in order. Secretary will conduct the roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is ready.
Here. Yeah.
Because once we start the vote, they
Yes, Mr. President. Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions?
the motion is all positions vacant.
Which positions, Mr. Director? All positions of elected of the leadership. Thank you.
All right, Secretary will conduct the roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. The vote in agreement is a yes and a no for the other side. Go ahead.
Board of members, Honorable Senator Kim,
Yari kayo, mamay.
Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian.
We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
Roll call member, Senator Aquino. No. Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa,
Yes!
Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero,
What? Abstain.
Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Montiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Ligarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Tulfo Irwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi,
No!
Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camille. Senator Villar Mark. Senator Subiri. Third presence of.
No.
Ilan ang lamang?
Hindi pa natatahiran.
Siya doon, sa baba siya hinalang ng NBI.
With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
Therefore, to nominate Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer because I am in the position is already vacant? I think you must elect somebody to take the position. I'm no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I suspend session.
Senora is watching.
Nagpunan sila pa, no? Ito yung Biden, no? Gabulan pa kaya? Kaya, ito ako tumatakbo sa doon eh.
Pinaawa siya.
Ano kayo? Bawal sa ulihin dito.
Wala pag nasa.
Tama yun.
Ay, Krisyo pa para sa'yo.
Yes, will the session resume? May I herewith move and nominate Senator Jinggoy Estrada as the temporary presiding officer.
Wala. Suko. Hindi, nasa ibang lugar ako. Katabi ko siya. Katapat ko siya. Ano mo yung katabi?
May we also nominate
Alam, hindi kami
temporary acting majority leader.
There is motion by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that the Senator John Villanueva be acting.
Wala nga, sinigaw sa pao.
Any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Temporary majority. Kati.
Mr. President, there was a nomination
Natin yung kunin natin.
by Senator Ivy Marcos to elect Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to be our Senate President. And I don't think, Mr.
Pero
President,
ninominate niyo.
there's no objection, Mr. President. So I move that we close the period of nomination, Mr. President.
There is objection? There being none, the period, yes, is there no objection? Senator Pangilinan?
Wala na.
We do not object because we do not have numbers. But we would like to express our sincere
13, 10, 1.
Noted, Senator Pangilinan.
And 13.
There is a motion by Senator Villanueva to close the period of nomination.
1.
Is there any objection?
10-14.
There being none,
10, 13, 1.
Basta yung declare the vacant.
Sabi ni
May we ask, Mr. President, the newly elected Senate President take his oath, Mr. President, and suspend the session.
Nalungkot ko. Kati.
Hindi na siya nakapanagin sa akin.
Ito na, Kati, ang magiging Senate President na si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Sa Senator Ivy Marcos, ang nahihintay, at si Senator Alan. Minominate pa ko. Minominate si Senator Ivy Marcos, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano para maging Senate President. Bakit na ngayon si Cayetano? Alam ko din para maging Senate President. Senator, sa may gilid kami ni Senator Bato de la Rosa na ito pa yung basta galit eh.
Sen.
Sir. Senator de la Rosa and si Senate President Soto sa kabilang gilid. Senate President Soto.
Senator.
Sir, yan. Tayo. Nasa kabilang side kasi si Soto.
Oh, ito siguro.